How to fix Roblox authentication failed code 901. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So this error usually means Roblox can't verify your account on login, often due to server issues, outdated version or account conflict. So here's how you can fix it. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up any browser in your mobile device. And once you're here, you want to go ahead and simply search for status.roblox.com. And if the servers are down, wait until they're back up. Error 901 is common during outage. Now after you do that, you want to go ahead and force close and reopen Roblox. Swipe up from your recent tab and then fully close Roblox. You can also go ahead and reopen the app and try logging in again. After that, the next step is to go ahead and restart your phone. Power off your phone, wait for 10 or 20 seconds, turn it back and then try opening Roblox again. Also make sure your Roblox is up to date. If you would like to check it, open up the App Store, then tap on the search icon. Then inside here, search for Roblox. Once you search for it, if you see update instead of open, you want to go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Once it is done, head back to your home screen and then open your settings application. Inside here, tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. Inside iPhone storage, search for Roblox and then tap onto it. Just like so, tap on upload app and then tap on upload app again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the stories used by Roblox and will also help you to clear the cache. So once you have uploaded the application, you want to go ahead and simply tap on reinstall app right over here. So once you have done that, head back to your home screen and then see if your problem is fixed or not. If not, long press on Roblox, tap on remove app, tap on delete app and then tap on delete again. Once you have deleted Roblox from your device, open up the App Store and then reinstall Roblox. And just like that, with all these steps, you'll then be able to fix your issue. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.